Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're going to take a quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. As you can see, this boat is equipped with the light blue hull sides at the aft corner. It has the chrome graphics, comes with the galvanized trailer. On the swim platform, you have the teak inlays and swim ladder. Powered by a 40 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. This boat is equipped with the bimini top. Has the dash inlay, windshield at the helm, 6.5 gallon fuel tank, and also at the helm you have a lockable storage compartment. So that's a real quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. If you'd like to see this boat in person or any of the other Whalers we have in stock, you could reach us at 910-256-8100.